In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your software stack in ClickUp. We'll walk through a simple way to set up a clean, structured list of all the tools your team uses, using one of ClickUp's built-in templates and then tailoring it to your needs. First, make sure you're in the correct space or folder in ClickUp, and then open the list view where you want to keep your software stack. This is important because the template we're about to use will be added directly into this list. So choose the location that makes the most sense for your workspace, like an operations or admin area. Once you're in your list view, look for the plus icon in the toolbar. This is usually where you add new views or bring in new structures to your list. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. From the options that appear, select Templates. This opens ClickUp's template library, which contains pre-built setups you can plug into your workspace instead of building everything from scratch. In the Templates search bar, type Software. This will filter the results to anything related to software management. Among the results, look for the template called Software Comparison. This template is a great starting point for organizing and evaluating tools, so click on Software Comparison to select it. Next, click on Use Template. Before it's added, you'll be prompted to give it a name. Type in something clear and descriptive, like software stack, so everyone on your team immediately understands what this list is for. Once you've named it, click Use Template again to confirm and let ClickUp create it in your chosen location. After the template has been applied, switch to the Templates view associated with this list if it doesn't open automatically. This view is where the structure of the software comparison layout appears. You can rename this view from Templates to something more meaningful, like Stack, so it's obvious this is your overview of company tools. Now, look at the different groups within this list. Each group represents a category. Rename these groups to match categories of software you actually use, such as marketing, sales, support, finance, or product. Within each group, edit each item so it becomes the specific tool you use in that category, like your email platform, CRM, help desk, or analytics tool. Repeat this process for all groups until your entire software stack is mapped out. From here, you can continue to customize this setup however you need. Adjust fields, add columns for owners, costs, renewal dates, or notes, and refine it so it becomes the single source of truth for your organization's software stack.